Hi everyone, I'm going to take you through the Magic Milk Lab that we did today in class. I know some of you have had some technical issues today, so I'm going to go ahead and record this and post it in our team's classes in the chat for you. So here we have before you our 3 dishes with different milks. In this first dish is whole milk from the cow. This one is oat milk, and this one is almond milk. They are all at room temperature. They've been sitting out for about an hour or so. And so I'm going to go ahead and start with the procedures. So if you're following along in your document, excuse me, it says in a clockwise fashion, put 1 drop of each food coloring sample in your dish at 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6, and 9 o'clock. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the green food coloring, and it's going to go at 12 o'clock in each of the milks. Next is the red food coloring. Next is the blue. And last is the yellow. Okay. From there, take a moment to observe how the food coloring is spread throughout the different types of milks. Number 3 now says to dip the end of a toothpick in liquid dishwashing detergent. So I have some toothpicks that have been sitting in Dawn for a little bit. And what I'm going to do after that is I will touch the end of the toothpick with the detergent on it into the center of the milk of the dish to introduce the detergent to the system. And I want you to observe what happens. So for this, I'm going to get a little bit closer to each one so you can see what takes place. So here is the almond milk. You can kind of see, and that's why I'm going slowly around, there's a little bit of a star outline in the milk, like on the surface. You can see it a little in the video. If this was in person, you could see it a whole lot better. So let's let that sit for a moment. Next, we're going to dip the toothpick into the oat milk. And then lastly, we're going to dip it into the whole milk. Trying to drop some of the detergent in there so it'll keep moving. So I did repeat step 5 by manipulating the milk. I'm using different types of milk. Again, this one is whole milk, that's oat milk, and this is almond milk. So I did change the fat content of the milk. We could have tried different temperatures. I could have used just whole milk and used boiling, room temperature, and then cold, but I wanted to see what it would look like to use different types of milk. So once you're done viewing the video, you're going to go ahead and answer pages 2 and 3 of the Magic Milk Lab handout within your assignments tab on your class team.